Hey guys, welcome back to Pat Max Adventures. I am Patrick, and today I am going to be exploring the subway system here in Shenzhen, which I have to tell you guys is one of my favorite subway systems in the entire world. I have been to many subways around the world, in Moscow, Russia, to Seoul, Korea, Taipei, Shanghai, Beijing, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, and I have to say that the subways here in China are definitely some of the best in the world and in Asia. And now to show you guys how the ticket machines work here, you can pay in 3 different ways. You can pay by scanning your QR code, by purchasing online, or by cash. Today I'm going to be doing it by cash. You can see these are all the metro lines here in Shenzhen. We're going to hit English. Now everything is in English. All the lines are shown here on the right. I'm going to go to line 2. Today I'm going to be going to Futian, which is here. So I'm going to hit Futian. For 1 ticket, it's going to cost me 2 yuan. You can buy 2 tickets, 3, 4. You can go all the way up to 8. You can pay with 5 or 10 yuan. I am going to pay with 5. It is now processing, and down here is my coin, and my change is right here. If you're gonna be in Shenzhen for a few days, Shanghai or Beijing or any other big city here in China, I highly suggest getting an Easy Card. It's gonna make using the metro a lot easier, so you won't have to go to one of these machines every time that you need to use the subway. The machine is gonna look like this. Unfortunately, there isn't any English, but I have figured it out. If you wanna buy a new card, you're gonna hit the purple one here. It's gonna ask you what kind of card you want. We'll just stick with this one, 50 yuan. Hit this. To load money, you can pay through your app, through your bank. I believe this is the bank, or cash. So you're probably going to be doing cash. Hit cash. Okay, you're going to enter your cash here. After you finish putting in the cash, the machine will process your card, and your card will come out here. If you want to load more money onto your card, you're going to hit the green button here, and then you're going to put your card down here. If you want to check the balance of your card, you'll hit the blue one here. Go ahead and put your card down here like this, and then you can see the history of my metro visits and how much I spent at each destination. If you just want to search throughout the system, you can just hit this gray one. I think this is the searching one. If you want to buy a new card, hit the purple button. If you want to load more money, the greenish button. And if you want to check your balance and your history, just hit the blue button. They've got this cool electronic way of paying for your drink. So let's just say that we're going to get Coca-Cola. Okay, hit Coca-Cola. These are some of the different ways that you can pay using WeChat Pay, Alipay. You can also pay with cash, coins, or cash. Your change will come out down here. So let's hit this one. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to take your phone and you're going to scan it here, and then it'll automatically pay for the drink, and your drink will pop up down below. Each one has its own barcode, so depending on your method of payment through your phone, all you have to do is just scan it, and then you're good to go. I'm really loving this whole system here in China, how everything is paid through the phone. It's so efficient and so quick. It's so different compared to anywhere else I have traveled. So you can just come in here with your friend, take some snapshots before you get on the subway. Actually, these look like passport photos. Yeah. Okay, Visa, US Visa passport, Japan Visa passport, British Visa passport, China Visa passport. Ah, so it's not, I guess you could take photos, but it's for your passport. That's actually a good idea. One thing that I have to say I love about China is the security system here. Every subway, you've got to take your bag and put it through the machine, and the machine scans you just like at the airport. I am proud to be American, guys, but I have to say, why don't we do this in our subways in America? I don't understand why we don't do it. It's very easy, it's simple, it keeps things very safe, and I feel very comfortable here in China. Today we're doing the coin. For the coin, you're just going to swipe it right here. If you're going to use your phone to pay, you go down here, take your phone, just scan it, it'll open up. And if you'll be using your card, which I normally do, you just take your card and you're going to swipe it in the same spot. One thing that I love and I think is so cute here in China is that a lot of the subways will have like these cute little paintings or murals within the subway. When I was in Chengdu, one of the subways had all these panda statues and panda murals near the big panda exhibit. Really cute to see. Another thing I love about the subways here in China and here in Shenzhen is they are very clean, super clean, and they're being cleaned on a daily basis. One great thing that they do here in China along with other countries is they have footprints here, so everyone getting on the train will stand on the sides, letting out all the people, so it's not a free-for-all. It's in Chinese and English. You also have the lines here and where this side will be going. Again, Chinese and English, so you can see where we are and where the train is going and where the train has been. One thing that's great about the subway here in Shenzhen is they have monitors which will tell you what time the next subway train will arrive. Once you're inside the subway train, everything is again in Chinese and English. The announcements are also in Chinese and English. They have screens inside the car that'll show you what station you are arriving at. It's very efficient, very simple. So if you're afraid of getting lost anywhere here in the Shenzhen system, I don't think that you will have much of a problem navigating through this system once you do it one time. Everything is in English and Chinese. These subways in China are very safe. There are guards walking around through the subway system as well as cameras everywhere, so you do not have to worry about any pickpocketing or anything going on. I have to say that the subway system here in Shenzhen, Beijing, Shanghai, all throughout China are some of the safest subway systems in the world because of the security upstairs, the cameras, and also the guards walking around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cameras within a 10-foot radius. Nobody is going to be robbing you down here in the Shenzhen subway. When it comes to transferring, it's really, really simple here. Here's line 3, here's line 11. We are currently on line, oh my God, is this line 1? No, line 2. So I want to go to line 3, so we're going to follow the arrow. This is line 3. This is going to 2 different directions. If you want to go this way, you're going to follow this sign. If you want to go to the other way, you're going to follow this sign. This side is going to be going up, and this one is going to be going down. How easy is that, guys? Less than a minute, and I am at my next subway that I need to get on. This area here, guys, is so interesting. I was using my translator to try to figure out exactly what it is. Some kind of open workspace in the subway system here in Shenzhen. I can see over here you can scan your phone. I don't know if this is free Wi-Fi or if you can pay, but it says 45-degree space. There is a map here showing all the spaces throughout Shenzhen and every station that there is a space at. So this is a kind of a theme here in Shenzhen. I've seen people here playing with their phones and doing stuff. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I've never seen this in any kind of subway system anywhere in the world. See how amazing this app is? Okay, this is in Chinese, right? I'm gonna put Google over. Oh, beautiful metro. What? Beautiful metro. What? Beautiful metro. I'm so crazy. Metro Life Buddhism. That is so cool. Wait, let's see. Metro Life Buddhism. Boom. Metro Life Buddhism. Beautiful warm business. I'm on my way out of the subway, guys. I did what I needed to do today and wanted to show you guys the metro system here in Shenzhen and give you an idea of what the subways here in China look like and how they work. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks again for watching, guys, and remember to live every moment to the max. I'll see you guys next time in the subway.